Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall TradingView account, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall your TradingView account, begin by logging into your account on the TradingView website. Once logged in, navigate to the profile icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Within the Settings menu, look for the Account tab on the left side of the screen. Click on the Account tab to access your account settings. Scroll down to find the Delete My Account option. Select Delete My Account to initiate the account deletion process. A confirmation window will appear, prompting you to confirm the deletion. Read the information provided regarding the deletion of your account. If you still wish to proceed, click on the confirmation button to finalize the process. You may need to enter your password to verify your identity. After entering your password, click on the confirmation button again. Your account will be scheduled for deletion, and you will receive a confirmation message. Keep in mind that once your account is deleted, you will lose all your data. Make sure to export any important information before finalizing the deletion. You can now log out of your TradingView account. If you ever decide to return, you will need to create a new account from scratch. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.